It's a new year and a new chance for you to make a fresh start with your compliance. For the next 31 days on the FCPA Compliance Report, we're going to be bringing you a daily tip, strategy, or idea that you can use to improve your program. Here's your host, Tom Fox, the Compliance Evangelist.
This month's sponsor of 31 Days to a More Effective Compliance program is Affiliated Monitors. Founded in 2004, Affiliated Monitors provides professional, independent integrity monitoring and ethics and compliance assessments nationally and internationally and across almost all industries. With its knowledge of effective ethics and compliance programs and cultures, Affiliated Monitors is respected for its work as the corporate monitor on matters ranging from multinational corporations to small and mid-sized companies and even individuals. Having served in over 750 monitorships, no one has more experience as an independent monitor than the team at Affiliated Monitors. For more information on how an independent monitor can help improve your company's ethics and compliance program, visit this month's sponsor, Affiliated Monitors, at www.affiliatedmonitors.com. Four practices for delivering an AI solution to compliance. Next, we consider the four practices that create the conditions for delivering an AI solution to compliance. Using these four practices can lead to enhanced operational excellence, more efficient business process, and a more robust compliance experience. A use case provides a clear definition of what AI can do for the compliance function and illustrates how algorithms will enhance the execution and outcomes of the compliance process. It shows how work will be delivered between an application and a user. In doing so, the use case establishes the need for process changes and provides initial insights into capability users will need, as well as skills that may no longer be needed. A well-designed use case also facilitates the estimation of the cost and the benefits of an AI application for compliance. Developing a use case that is grounded in reality is a team activity. While it may appear that the primary responsibility of domain experts, data scientists, and compliance architects is to have input, the team will identify any new compliance structures, compliance roles, and compliance systems required by an AI application for compliance, especially those affected indirectly by the new application. IT experts assess the need for integration and with other applications and identify any additional IT support the application might require. Properly identified compliance use cases can help the compliance function avoid poor implementation that wastes resources and may limit enthusiasm for an effective implementation of such tools down the road. Conversely, if the use case for early compliance applications highlights quick wins for the high-profile issues, they can be powerful drivers of organizational uptake of AI applications for compliance. Managing expectations is, of course, critical. Managing AI learning. There is a phenomenon called algorithm drifts, where the data used to create an AI algorithm becomes less accurate reflection of reality over time, which then requires the learning of the AI application for compliance throughout their life cycles. To manage drift and keep the AI application for compliance up to date, companies can rely on a combination of IT backbone capabilities, data science competence, and compliance expertise. When nonconformities occur, your AI algorithm for compliance applications should be retrained and the AI application should be relaunched. Further, as the performance of the algorithm is better understood, or as the compliance function becomes more efficient with the application, new business rules or processes that can enhance the value of the application may be required. Continuous improvement. One of the underestimated needs is the requirement of interdisciplinary co-creation to achieve success. This means the compliance function will continue to need to work with employees from the disparate specialties and disciplines in ongoing development throughout the life cycle application. In other words, continuous improvement. One reason that this continuous improvement is so critical is that compliance experts will learn over time what AI can and cannot do. It is during this development of the AI application for compliance, close and sustained collaboration and relationships across diverse areas of expertise can make this problem less severe. The interaction of team members results in a shared vocabulary about the business needs and solutions, enabling them to better visualize and make sense of how people will use the application. The bottom line is that after your initial implementation, responsibility for maintaining and sustaining an AI application for compliance continues to be a highly interdependent nature. Think cognitively. Companies that successfully develop and use AI applications for compliance champion the uptake of AI and create positive buzz and excitement around its use. The same holds true for lawyers who become compliance professionals. One of the keys is to encourage employees to generate ideas for the new AI application for compliance that can improve their compliance work. Just as the response to AI programs in general, and specifically the corporate response to AI applications for compliance, varies widely. Unfortunately, many compliance professionals with legal training tend, at least initially, not to see the potential of an AI application for compliance. Others have exaggerated expectations, thinking that AI for compliance will automatically solve difficult business problems. Still others do not trust AI and see risks to AI applications for compliance, enabling business processes such as rogue behavior and AI algorithm and capability, or even job losses. Yet those compliance professionals who have seen what AI can do are the best stewards of realistic and credible conversations about AI applications for compliance within their companies. Because of their business focus, even if it is called a compliance solution, they are more likely to create a positive buzz around such applications than data scientists or IT professionals who may be perceived as overly enamored with AI. By applying these practices, business leaders can fully operationalize AI applications for compliance through their organizational DNA and set themselves up to reap the rewards. It is a continuous cycle of improvement. So what are today's 3 key takeaways? Number 1, AI is not a panacea. Number 2, it is not simply about reading the numbers, it is thinking critically. And 3, always remember, continuous improvement is a key byproduct of AI and compliance. I hope you will enjoy the entire month on innovation and compliance in this month's offering of 31 Days to a More Effective Compliance Program. If I could ask you to do so, would you pass on to at least one person this podcast series on the nuts and bolts of compliance, as I'm trying to expand my audience base for 31 Days to a More Effective Compliance Program. I hope you'll join me again tomorrow, where I take up another topic in innovation and compliance. Thanks again for listening. 31 Days to a More Effective Compliance Program is a production of the Compliance Podcast Network.